Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be going over the Annual Preventative Maintenance Kit for a 2340EK. This kit comes with a door gasket. The door gasket is in the annual kit. However, if you are doing consecutive cycles or back-to-back, this will need to be replaced more frequently. The kit also comes with a single chamber bright packet. Chamber bright should be used on a weekly basis. This helps keep the valves, the chamber, and the reservoir clean. The kit also comes with replacement valves and stems, as well as the safety release valve, which is located in the reservoir, along with the air jet. This kit does come with a preventative maintenance guide, which shows you how to replace these items. If you have any issues, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support, and please like and follow. Thank you.